Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with simple shapes to lock in Elsa's pose and proportions. This reduces redraws later. Draw a light circle and add a vertical centerline to orient the face, then place the eye line halfway down. Once done, extend an oval for the torso and faint limb guidelines. Keep arms and neck slightly elongated for stylized elegance. Make 3 marks for major facial landmarks: eyes, nose, mouth. This framework makes it easy to refine features and keep symmetry as you progress. Now focus on defining features and hair while maintaining the initial guides. Start by refining the jawline and cheeks, then shape almond eyes with a stronger upper lash to capture expression. Next, block in the hair mass, draw the side-swept part and large braid shapes, concentrating on flow rather than every strand. Once done, connect the head to a graceful neck and mark collarbones and the dress silhouette. This keeps proportions intact and prepares you for final line work and texture. Finish by committing to clean lines and thoughtful shading so Elsa reads clearly. Trace over the best sketch lines with a steady hand, darkening contours and erasing construction marks as you go, because clean edges make the character pop. Then add hair texture in strokes that follow the braid flow, paint subtle fabric folds on the dress, and include light shading to indicate volume. If something looks off, make sure to flip the canvas or view in a mirror to quickly spot and correct proportion errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.